My name is Sam. I have a right shoulder reconstructive surgery 15, 16 years ago.
An artificial shoulder.
Artificial shoulder, artificial hip. I was probably one of the least candidates that this would ever work on. I was on all kinds of pain pills, Tylenol, medicine.
For how long?
Years. 10 years, 12 years.
And you noticed some side effects of all the...
Yeah, I did. I mean, they'd switch me up. I ended up with bleeding ulcers. I actually traveled to the two best in the world, one in New York, one in Seattle. And they told me I was in recovery mode. There's nothing they could do until there was new science to fix my arm. So after, 10 years of surgery, 12 years playing with the kids, growing up, whatever, I destroyed the arm again. But I'm off all the medicine. The ulcers are gone.
The
pain's gone. I mean, it's crazy. Yeah, I can lift stuff. I'm riding my dirt bike. I'm living a normal life. It's crazy.
Yeah. And how long would you say your arm wasn't as good as it is now?
5 years.
Okay.
At least 4 to 5 years.
Okay. And would you suggest just anybody out there that's considering
I tell everybody my story.